It's no longer news that Grok has stopped its free usage. Grok has stopped this free usage. This has broken the heart of lots and lots of creators. In this video, I'll be sharing with you an alternative tools you can use in place of Grok. Because Grok is one of the best video generator you will ever come across. Image generation, video generation, they are just the best. Now you have to pay about $30 to access Grok. It's even fair enough because considering the fact that we've been using Grok for free for a very long period of time. I think now that they've decided to stop the free version, I think it's still fair enough because we've used it for a very long time. That's number one. And number two, I've not seen an image generator that is as good as Grok. The first one being the Qwen AI. Go onto your browser and type Qwen. It will bring you to that particular interface where you have to sign up if you haven't, but if you have, you just need to log in. Once you bring to this particular interface, either continue with Google or you continue with your email. So you sign up with your details and all of that. So it will ask to verify your email. So you verify your email to have access to create your videos. So once you verify your email, you click on it, bring to this particular interface, then you click on create videos. Once you are done clicking on create videos, you see this particular aspect that has the aspect ratio. You can either be in 9.16 or just choose your interface, your aspect ratio. Then you click here, so it take you to your gallery where you have to select the image you want to animate. Yeah, so you select the image, give it your prompt. So once you are done, click on that purple arrow, then send it. So you allow it to load up. Give it some time. It takes some time. So once it's done loading up,
I love Grok videos a lot.
It's the result. Then the next one is the Meta AI. Go onto your browser and type Meta AI. Then you click on this first option. It will bring to this particular interface. If you haven't signed up, you have to sign up. Or if you have, just log in. Then it will ask you to upload your image. Then you give it your prompts, allow it to do its work, then it will give you a result. That part of Meta AI is the images doesn't speak. Yes, you can only use it for like a documentary when you are narrating something, but the images itself doesn't speak. It doesn't finish the audio. That's one of the downside of the Meta AI. So in all of this, you can compare Grok AI to any of this one. So I will stay out for you subscribing for Grok AI if you have the means to. So the last on the list is the Hugging Face. Head over to your browser and type Hugging. Click on the first option. It will bring you to this particular interface. If you find this video helpful and you want to see updates like this, click on the subscribe button and subscribe now so that anytime I drop new updates, new videos, you'll be the first to be notified. Yes. Then you see several models you can use. A lot of models you can use. Just select one of those models. Let's select the first one. It will bring you to this particular interface where you have the opportunity of imputing your image. You impute your image at this particular point. Then you also, it will bring you to this place where you select your image from your gallery, then impute it, then give it your prompt if necessary, then just generate video. It will generate. That is it. Then you download. That's all.